Hi, my name's Chris, and this is my garage. I'm always fixing and building stuff here, and I like to keep everything organized so I can find the right tool when I need it. I recently bought this triangle Shopbox from Montezuma. It really helps keep everything organized. The triangle design is something that I haven't seen in a toolbox before. It lets me lay out my tools and see them all at a glance. It's easy to find what I'm looking for and then put it back where it belongs when I'm done. And this tray pulls up so there's extra storage underneath. There's also a bottom drawer where you can store some larger items. I have it set on my workbench because it gives me lots of storage and it takes up a little space, so it gives me more room to work. It's also perfect for storing some of my power tools. I can store and charge them in this area. This new triangle Shopbox is helping me keep my tools better organized and more secure. Now I can spend more time working on my projects, less time looking for my tools.